bafethu kunjani? Toza abantu on the screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyaza ngihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no
Shapa fethu kunjani cameraman team focus well Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
and uhamba uyi-2. Yeah, bafethu, on today's episode we are looking at Kaizer Chiefs. They've been doing well, Shem. But ke ngifisa ukwazi. Namhlanje badlala nani konje?
Nemakesi.
Okay, yeah, fine. They can get their 5th win in a row, right? Ngifisa ukwazi mina ukuthi, are you happy? Do you happy now with what is happening at Kaizer Chiefs with giving ukuthi usuwine 4 games in a row?
Yeah, to be honest with you, meaning I am happy. I am happy. Even the performance itself has improved, you know. The mentality of the players has changed. So I think I can say freely and say I'm happy. The boys are getting more confident each and every game. So we can build from these 4 wins, obvious, each and every player is like having the winning mentality. Yeah. So I can freely say I am happy.
With that being said, who tells you to say ready for these people? Which is the following weekend.
No,
for another day.
But just to highlight it also built a very good momentum to see a Kaizer Chiefs that's winning and having the winning mentality, which means we're looking forward to having a very, very impressive derby, you know. No,
sold out now.
But we've tried to buy them the first day. We couldn't online. So
no, I'm just saying because a lot of you guys, PR, you don't even feel energy because of what has been happening before these 10 out of results now are say positive. Yeah, get to be that given an opportunity
yeah.
Confidently so.
I would.
Already.
Yeah.
So like ningam disappoint
shall see.
Yeah, but going back to the game, as mentioned, Kaizer Chiefs have collected 12 points.
Yeah,
which is 4 wins. Izodlala struggling number 16 Imakesi.
Yeah.
Ubone Imakesi ikunika yiphi threat.
Now, ngabe ngikhuluma out of fear if we go to the threat. Because okay, obviously the only thing that I see with these small teams, they're not big team. They tried their best to frustrate them, you know.
Yeah.
But looking at these Kaizer Chiefs that just won 4 games, and then looking at the struggling markets, I don't see them giving any hard time to Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Even though they will try their best, but Kaizer Chiefs at this moment I feel like they're gonna punish them. They're gonna connect maximum points.
Yeah, I also feel that way. Even though I hope something don't go near that. But yeah, if it's Zabulali cat. It's just that Imakesi because yeah. But I threat because we cannot just analyze confidently so
yeah.
I threat in terms of position disparate and it's a game in hand because most of the teams are like 24 games.
Yeah.
23.
And
they are 2 points behind Orbit, which is Bonabana 19. Marcus is 17. Yes. Orbit is 19 points. Don't you think somehow?
Yeah, in job issue. Value against one struggle. And they always had we have a game in hand. It's a pity they playing this game in hand with the Kaizer Chiefs that's trying to get back on form. So as much as they would cause threat in coming away to the Kaizer Chiefs while it was struggling, not knowing what they are doing, not winning any games, maybe they would steal it. But at this very moment, as much as they needed the most, more than even Kaizer Chiefs, they needed the most. So obviously they will try to call all out, but I don't see them punishing Kaizer Chiefs.
Now we can still do it. Number 2. No, idea number 2 to
this idea of number 2, it's mathematically doable, you know.
Okay.
But for me to say comfortably we can do it, I don't think we can. Number 3 years I can say it's secured, but number 2, if you take a leg and an arm,
ngoba mawuthi mathematically umkhumbuza ibafana
to qualify you need to calculate and all that. So, yeah.
It's the first time nje siyabonga ukho, but ke nawe sesithi kodwa-ke engathi mfethu sisale sesiyilungisela indlu yethu ngendlela yethu get our house in order, but it's put us somewhere.
Yeah.
Ake ngibuze nje just one drastic question,
Yeah.
sekuvele vele sengifake neBafana. Imuphi umdlali kwi-Kaizer Chiefs right now who you think uyakudeserve ukudlala beBafana, and why?
I think I can mention two. I can mention two, but I'll give you a reason why the other one maybe could have dropped it. I think Peterson started the season very well and trying to keep Lama clean sheet, even though we were winning one, but he was playing a very crucial role in a movement, you know. So I feel like if maybe he didn't get injured before the derby, he would have been part of Bafana that played friendly in Panama. I think he was gonna be there. So I feel like he can still get there, you know, can go World Cup. And then secondly, I think Uma Boy for me has been exceptional for Kaizer Chiefs. So I won't be surprised with Bafana. I can't falter him. He's been excellent for Kaizer Chiefs. He's raising his hand with Bafana, Hugo, and Knock. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back to the keeper before.
Yeah.
Because you haven't answered Amawise. Amawise, they were expecting it's the impact they will play to Bafana. Not to put they've been very different somewhere. They are exceptional. But what role they will play. But then let's go back to Peterson.
Yeah.
What does it mean for Kaizer Chiefs?
I think obviously he's a club captain, right? So obviously at the back you need that leadership skill there. So it means uyakwazi ukucontrola his back four, uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabo, and naye vele is in it for it. So we can see his back. So we got a clean sheet.
It's a good timing.
Yeah, it's a good timing. Then if you look at Bruce Buma, constantly go few games, and then this guy is continuing to get us a clean sheet. So I think Ubiawake is very impactful. Leadership is needed.
Okay. Yeah. Back to I'm trying to ukuthi la senze i-service kahle kahle. Asifuna ukuthi sikhale ekugcineni sithi hayi uSibani banakabizwanga yiphi impact abezobizwa afike nayo kulaba badlali abamentionile ekhuluma.
Ubani uPeterson?
Yeah, ungaqala uPeterson ulandele komunye.
No, it's like you have your Ronza, right? Your Ronza, which is the captain, like go Sundowns. And then if you have a Peterson, like normal benching, which means you have more leaders on the bench that can still help you and all that, you know.
Yeah.
So we are thinking, but if you look at the other goalkeepers, they're not even captains, and some of them they're not even performing good more than him. So him being there is like you have another leader on the bench, you know.
Okay. I'm surprised to Umbali China, but I'm going to create a debate. Let's go to the other one.
Yes, but this one we can still cover it because we are two clean sheets behind, I think.
Oh, Shogajal.
Yeah, so it's
okay.
doable, you know.
But I'm talking about 17 clean sheets. Shoot when you are 2 clean sheets behind.
Yes.
Okay, I know it's fine. I know. Finally, we'll just confirm it.
Yeah, we'll confirm.
Not here.
We need a fake check.
Let's talk about my boy. Given what we have,
yeah,
to refer to what we have also. Bafana.
Also, you're looking at who at Adams. You're looking at Bangamba.
Adams. Mkwena.
Yeah. I don't know, man, but I feel like you can agree with me. I think he can do better than Ustol.
Okay.
Yeah, I think he can give us something because Ustol, after coming back from injury, he hasn't performed for Bafana as much as Sambe Simazi he can do, you know, like the previous AFCON he was
but
good.
Can you talk about the exceptionalism of ukhuluma ngayo? Because yona phela lesifunayo lapha. But he can do better than Ustol. In terms of ball recovery, in terms of ball distribution, that's what I'm talking about, and so on and so on.
You know, my boy hardly loses the ball, right?
Okay.
So that's one thing we need. And totally lately, Paul lose with his wrong passes. I'm figure one to it. You know, my boy can give us something better than that. You know. Yeah. But overall, for Bafana, we have very good midfielders. So the competition is even much healthier if we have my boy, we have Mkwena, we have Mbata, we have Adams. So the competition is healthy for me, you know. If
Yeah.
one is knocked out or limel or something, it's easy, you know, quality for quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bafethu, sicela ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukubuka ama-videos ethu towards the end or up to the end. At least buku half wayo-ke for that matter. I-reason yalokho ukuthi we want to reach bigger audience. And YouTube into ozobona ngayo ukuthi this audience is good for abantu. It's you watching it towards the end. Siyamcela. See you on another one.